Hello everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a pivot table that will give you another way to report big data fairly easy. In sum, the pivot table is powerful tools for calculating, summarizing, and analyzing data that allow you to see comparison, patterns, and trends in your data. So, if you have more columns and row in one worksheet that contains a single number in every cell, you might try this one. I'll explain to you how to make it. Firstly, you have to put up your data like this. I give you an example. This data shows sales and profits in every company, every month, every year, and quarter. If you have another component, you could add a column in the next right side. Make sure you give a title on a column, company, month, and so on. So the row is filled by the companies you have. Then the column is the data component for every company, like this. The second is select the menu insert and then select pivot table. In this case, we use select a table or range and then click on it and then select this one and then enter. Then we have to choose where we will place the pivot table. If you choose new worksheet, Excel will give you a new sheet. If you want to pivot table in the same worksheet, you choose the existing worksheet. In this case, I choose new worksheet and then OK. OK. Then you have to arrange how your pivot table is. If you don't want to confuse, I recommend you to select the recommended pivot table and then choose this one I want and then OK. If you want to arrange in your version, you can select Field List and drag your data component to the area that you want. In this case, I want filter company and filter the year. And then cells in sum of values. Okay, and click on it and you can make your own format. Okay, like this. So here it is, the pivot table. You can choose what company you want, what year you want, in 2018. Lastly, if you want to give some editing format, you could select the Analyze menu, then select the field list, and you can change all of this. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you give me a comment in comment section below. See ya.